Hello traders, this is your boy Coach Blue Forex. I really don't like to do this kind of video. As you know me, I like to do education video, motivation video, but this video should have to be done. Today we are going to talk about ICT, the inner cycle trading. Is that strategy holy grail? Holy grail? Is it better than other strategies? We have to talk about this. First of all, let us say scalp is fake. That strategy is worse than other strategy. I have to be honest. There's nothing special about that. I know everything about that strategy. Fairly gap, bar of three, order block, and so on. I know I have studied, I have gone through, I have seen how it works. What's the win rate? I know everything. Do not be fooled, guys.
This is ICT's 2023 mentorship model, and he made millions from this, but this model was given to you 100 years ago.
There is no hurry glory in. There is no strategy that works 100%. That's why we use stop loss. That's why we try to manage risk. That's why trading risk management is part of trading.
I was listening to ICT the other day, Gooch, and he was speaking directly to me, man. This guy coded the algorithm. He's the man behind the market. He's the one who unlocked the code or made the code. Damn. He was speaking to me. I was listening to one of his lectures, and when he was speaking, I could see the market clearly. I could understand it. I felt profitable for the first time. I want you to hear it, man. I want you to experience this. Please listen to the man himself. Unlock the secrets to the market.
They're running around saying they could beat my ass in trading. Fucker! Motherfucker! I'm right fucking here! Why the fuck am I still waiting on you, bitch?
But one thing I don't like about that strategy is the founder. It's like, I know where the market will go. One thing we learned about this market, that the market will humble you. Now let us start. Let us show you one proof. You know, this is how the market humbled him. He was like, I think he took a challenge, a Robin challenge. I will make like 100% gain. You know what happened? 97% down. You know what he said? I did this for papa. Come on, at least be a man and accept you don't know how to trade. That's the first red flag. You need to learn in this life. You need to learn to accept losses. You need to learn to accept failure. That guy cannot accept failure, and that's why he's like, my strategy is better. That's the first red flag. The second red flag is that fake screenshot. I will post that screenshot here also. You know, once he faked it, that he made like 3 million withdrawal, but we know what happened. He forget to minus that negative. You know what he said? He did it for purpose. He was playing, you know, he was pranking people. This is what he does time and time again and again. When people catch him that he's lying or he's fake, he makes excuses. I will post the screenshot here. And the second red flag, he turned off his YouTube comment section. You cannot comment in his YouTube. You go and see yourself. You know why he said that? You know what's the reason of that? I will post the reason here. He said that he don't want scammers to be in his comment section. That's a lie. He don't want like people like me to say that this strategy is not going to work, because he's targeting the new traders who don't know what's happening in the market. Since he have like one of the most followed guy in YouTube, like I think 1.3 million, I'm not sure. So people will think that following equals to good strategy. That's why he don't want to have any opinion. And the reason why if his strategy is that good, why not allow people to say something? Why not? Come on. You have to be smart. Sometimes, you know, action speaks than words. See the action. See yourself. It's there, guys. Do not be fake.
Something that blows my mind, and I think about it pretty much every day, is like how often ICT lies and nobody really cares. Like ICT has publicly tweeted that he was gonna win the Robbins Cup. What was it, 2016? And he literally said the words, "If I don't win," and he said, "If I don't break the record," which is 11,000%. He said he's a fraud. Not only did he not break the record, not only did he not even make top 5, he literally blew the account from that Robbins Cup. Now let's come to some more recent things. We all know that he said that he got kidnapped by the government and made the algorithm. It hasn't been proven wrong yet, so who knows, bro? Maybe that's the one thing he's telling the truth about.
You know, fake. And this is another point that I see him saying that he don't make money. He don't sell course. At the beginning, I was like, I'm not going to sell course. I'm teaching for free. That was a good marketing at the start. He was not selling course at that time, and he was still making money at revenue. YouTube based money, guys. His video is like 1 hour, like stuff, right? And that one video he made like 100,000. I'm telling you, because the video is long and people will watch. There's a lot of ad if you watch his video. Maybe he made 20K, 30K. We don't know, like him, but he is monthly making like 2K, 3K, 4K every month, consistently making that. So that's he also making money on YouTube. It's not free. And now he's selling courses. You know what happens? Once he starts selling courses, the guy blew up. Boom. He moved from his old town. He's buying houses. He keep now bragging. We know you. I have been in this street for a long time. You were inside the room like me. I'm in my room now. But once he's selling courses, the guy is rich. Guys, you can make me rich now. Buy my course, guys. I'm serious. I will be like, buy my courses. I'm telling you, he's making more money than he's making more money selling courses than trading. I have to be honest, it's 100% true. You guys now can make me rich. Buy my course. I'm selling course for 1,000. Actually, my course is more expensive than his. To be honest, you can make me rich. You can make me rich, guys. Support me and buy my course. Let me go to penthouse. That's what is there now, because the money keep coming on. His popularity is getting bigger, and people keep the new traders. You keep brainwashing. And the main reason why I'm doing this video is that a lot of new traders, they always ask me, coach, what do you think about ICT? What do you think about ICT? So be careful, guys. You want to learn how to trade? Do not buy course. See this book? I promise, if you read this book, master this book, you will be profitable. No. Sorry about that. This will help you only technical, but and psychology psychology takes time. 2-3 years. It will take time, but with this book and psychology, you will be profitable. You don't need ICT to make money. ICT is a price action. No, last point. You know why ICT works for some people? It's not that it's better than other strategy.
When it came to ICT, I did not know the negative part of the code of everyone saying that he fakes everything. And so I just took it at face value. And this guy, a 50-year-old guy, is saying that he coded the algo. His strategy is the only thing that works. And from what I was seeing, every other strategy that I was trading seemed so similar to that one. And everyone was saying, oh, everyone is copying ICT.
But it's a belief. In trading, it's all about belief. Those people master what he's teaching. That's triangle stuff. Those, come on, man. People master those triangle, this strategy, and now with experience, now they are making money with that. Yeah, of course, but it's like other strategy, or even worse, man. I'm telling you, man. Like my strategy, the 100%, I believe that if we challenge one-on-one with the ICT or any other ICT trade, I can be profitable. I can win, 100% sure. Okay, this is the last point. Since he turned off his comment, there is this online review about ICT. I'm going to post here what they say about that here. They say that does not work. Does not work, guys. Because that's why he turned off his comment, because he don't want people who try that strategy come out and say that it's not working. That's one of the reasons why he turned off his comment, because people always read the comment, what he's saying, this is the review here, review about his strategy. It does not work, guys. So do not be brainwashed, guys. Make sure to learn, to do your own research, and do not think that since this guy has more followers that his strategy is better than others. And one thing, I will end this with this point. I'm not trying to expose. It's not this is not coming about I'm not hitting on the guy. I'm really serious. I'm not hitting on him, but this is the truth. One thing I really ask myself that he always says that I know where the market is going. I invest in the market. I build this thing. I know where the market is going. I did algorithm. I know where the market will go. Come on, you don't know. Do not lie to yourself. We all know that that's why you use a stop loss. That's why you cannot make money. How can you tell us when you traded live, you lost you traded like 5 days, you lost every day, you only made one winner? How can you tell us you know where the market will go? How can we believe that? How can you, when you went through the challenge and you went 97% down, when we see that you're all exposing yourself? I give him one advice: never trade like this. I like to advise. I'm not hating on a guy. Okay, never trade live. Never do another competition. Yeah. What can I say? Just do your online videos. Brainwash other people. But I'm here. If you are watching him, please send this video to him. I really want to challenge the guy. One-on-one, challenge. And we go any platform he wants, third-party platform, and let us see who wins. And the world wants to see this. A normal trader, even I have been trading like 5 years, but I'm 100% sure I can win him, because we've seen him. He cannot trade. I have a confidence that I will win him, because how many times I see him, the guy lose. So send this video to him. I'm ready for the challenge. You think I'm lying? Let him challenge me, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Coach Blue Forex. So you can see that what I'm saying is true. That I'm really a good trader. I'm better than him. Coach Blue Forex on Instagram and YouTube also. Coach Blue. Follow me and see and send your mentor, the young guy who won't challenge him. And let us see what. See you next time.